Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all my subscribers for subscribing the channel and like it and help it to grow day by day. Thank you. So this is a question from IIT JEE main examination, but it can be a Olympiad maths question also. You must have seen this type of question is asked in maybe in regional maths Olympiad or may not be in international maths Olympiad, but it can be a maths Olympiad primer. So let's begin the question. Let's begin the solving question. If the question is if nth term of a series equals to minus 2 over 4n square minus 16n plus 15, then find the sum of a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to a25. Options are given: 51 over 144, 49 over 138, 50 over 141, then 52 over 147. So this is a very common question nowadays. So what we will do, first we will make this nth term in simplified form. How I will do? First I will factorize the denominator. Let us see. So starting solution, 4n square minus 16n plus 15 equals to your 4n square. I'm splitting the middle term, 10n minus 6n plus 15. Taking your 2n common, I'll get n minus 2n minus 5. N minus 3 common, I'll get 2n minus 5. So 4n square minus 16n plus 15 equals to 2n minus 5 multiply 2n minus 3. So once we got this denominator in this form, now I will try to convert this numerator in term of this 2. So I can write minus 2 is nothing but your 2n minus 5 minus 2n minus 3. If you will verify, you will get left and right hands are equal. So now an equals to minus 2 over 4n square minus 16n plus 15. So I'll write this whole numerator and denominator using these two factor. One is 2n minus 3 over 2n minus 5 into 2n minus 3. So an now nth term can be written as 2n minus 5 over 2n minus 5 multiplies 2n minus 3, and again minus 2n minus 3 over 2n minus 5 into 2n minus 3. So first one will be this 2n minus 5 will be cancelled. It will be 1 over 2n minus 3, and in second one this 2n minus 3 will be cancelled. It will be minus 1 over 2n minus 5. So after getting nth term correctly, now your job is half of the job or 80% of the job is done. Now after getting this nth term, we'll write the telescopic sum of each term. That means first I'll take a1. a1 means I'll put n is equal to 1. So here I know when I'll put 1 n is equal to 1, this is becoming 2 minus 3, this will be minus 1. And here when n is, I'm putting 1, it will be 2 into 1, 1 minus 5, that will be 1 by minus 3. Or this is ultimately becoming your minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Now let us take a2, second term. Second term will be, I'll put n is equal to 2 here. Then it will be 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2 into 2, 4, minus 5, that will be minus 1. So this is becoming your 2 into 2, 4, minus 3, 1, and 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3 is minus 1. So I am getting 1 plus 1. Now coming to A3, third term. Third term will I'll put A is equal to 3. Then it will be 1 by 3. And minus, it will be 1 by 1. That is 1. What will be A4? A4 will be 8 minus 3, 1 by 5, minus 4, 8 minus 1, that will be 1 by 3. So on. Then I'm not writing all the terms. Then I'll go to A4, A 12, 24th term. Last but 1. So it will be 1 by 54, 48 minus 3, 45, minus 2 into 24, 48 minus 3, 1 by 43. And next coming to, so whatever the last term, that will be a 25th term equals to, it will be in place of n, I'll put 25. So 50 minus 3, 47. This will be 50 minus 3, 45. So it will be 1 over 47 minus 1 over 45. So now we'll add all the terms. Let us see how much it will be on adding. See, first A1. A1 is my negative 1, and this will become plus 1 over 3. This will be plus 1 over 1. So see, second term, first term of the first one is cancelling with your this one. First term of the second one is cancelling with second term of the third term. And first term of the third term is cancelling with second term of the fourth one. So on. So all will be cancelled here, because here somewhere will be 1 by 5. And here 1 by 5, this will be cancelled. And certainly this will be cancelled, will be with previous one. So what is left now? It is left your, this word is cancelled. This 1 over 3 is left. From the first term, the second term is left. And the last term, first term is left. 1 by 47. So let's write the sum now. So A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to a 25th term equals to 1 by 3 plus 1 over 47. So what is the LCM? LCM will be 141. It will be 3 plus 47. It will be 50 over 141. So let us check which one option is correct. This is 1, 2, third. Third option is correct. So part 3 is correct. 3 is correct. 3 over 141 is correct. So thank you for watching whole video. Thank you for subscribing my channel. And please keep on watching and keep on liking and keep on learning, because there is no end